Okay guys, I have a Toyota Estime 2003 December model, and somehow my back handle was broken, so I swapped this with the new one I bought from eBay. So this side I have already changed, and because I couldn't get the one that I have, so this one is correct, but I wanted to have the same here. So in this video I'll help you to tell you how you can change with your own if you want to have some trouble. The important part, I'll do step by step. So what you have to do is remove that, open that screw, open this screw, and if you make like this, you can see one screw is here. So once you're done, it should be come out. Most remember things: do not first screw and then put that. The last time I did mistake is I screwed that when I was packing up. So I screwed that, and I screwed that as well, and on top of that I was trying to put this connector, and somehow it was locked and I can't open it, so I have to broke that. Anyway, so yeah, so these three screws, and then what you have to do is just put your finger in here and push it. So once you push it, it will come out. So it has just a small nails type of things there which just stick with your body. The only issue you will get is you will have one cable back of this. Just be careful of that, and I'll show you how it looks like. And that's how you removed it. So now what I have to do is just pushing that into my side, and it will be open. And now I have to push it. So that's how you remove it. Have to open it with door. So I got the space. This comes this side. This is only the important things, because see, if this is just stopping it, so just push it over, and then just have a little harder things to it. There you go. And from here, so the door is closed now. I don't know if I can push more back. No, I don't have a space for it. But what I'll do is, come on, maximum. Okay. So this is almost come out. I have to, because of that, it's not opening. Okay. Now the important thing is, come here. This cable. So you can see this cable. To open that cable, remember there is a lock, so you have to get screw and push it and then pull down. Okay, that's how it's come out. Just put some pin or something and press it and then push back. Now we have to open 4 screws. This one, this one, this one. So 3, I think it's only 3 here. Yeah, I have to open this 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Using 10 mm to open that 3 screws. I think I have to open this screw as well on my right side, although there was only 3. So I have to open that as well. Okay, once you have opened that, now you should have access to over there screw. One is there and second one we can get from here. So we have to open that and that. Remember, most important, if you open that, if your screw is fell down, there is no way you can push it up. So the small tip I have, and I'll show you in a minute. So what I've done is taking any type of hard paper and put like this, so when you will open it will drop inside. Now same thing we have to do over here. I don't know if you can see this or not. So there's the screw. We will do the same technique, put the hard paper so it won't drop inside. So I did that, so it just in any case if it go there won't fall down. Say hi to Rahma. Okay, so I'll try. So as you can see, it's still there, and because of that we are safe. See? Come back here. Okay, save it. Now we can go outside and remove the handle. So as you can see, it's come out. So the important things here is, I don't want to close that door. So there is a lock, small lock in this side. If you can have a look, I don't know if I try. On this side, on my hand. So you can see there is a small lock, so you just have to pull that up and have to remove it. I'll show you what I mean. Just give me 1 second. So here you can see on top of that there is a lock, so you have to remove that lock and that push this, and this pin will come out, and then you put your new one, and then the same way just put the lock back. So I'm on a video. Okay, so bring the camera here, then.
Yeah.
Oh. So as you can see, I have removed that lock, and now keep it safe place. This is the safe place for me. Okay. Now come, Raymond, come here this side. Come other side.
The other side, okay.
Now you can see here over here. Raymond, this way. Can you move up? No, you can't. So I have to push that thing up.
Okay.
Hope I did not break my wing. Okay, so now as you can see, it's easily come out, and I dropped my spring inside. Anyway, I have something to bring it up.
Yep.
You get it? So I lost spring, but it's come with the spring, so I don't need to worry about it. What I have to do is just remove that. You can move, please.
Could you be
Do
better?
not touch anything.
Papa, I need my tablet.
Just remove that.
I need my tablet.
Come on, Shirama. We have to go other side and have to see what we can do.
So it's gonna be still
Okay.
there.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Now
Just push that.
that will stay like this because it has to go here. Now बंद करो, वीडियो बंद करो. Give me spring.
Right there.
So this thing will go inside and then the spring will stay this side. Okay?
Yep.
And then just put it here and we can move this from there. There you go. Okay.
Yeah, Baba.
You see now? So just come out. Now just what we have to do is put the pin and then push that on top of it. Just we are going to put the pin back and then push over there. Okay, so just need to push that lock in. Oh, there we go. Okay, now the lock is there. Now the second remembering thing is this one. Can you see this notch? It has to go this side. It's really hard to use it. There you go. And before I miss anything, I have to. I'm gonna stop there. Okay, now the lock is done. I have to push that up. Come on. This is the only hard part. So we have to push that this side. Yes. Yes, you're there. There you go.
Yay.
It's up now. Okay. Now, as I said before, this one is important. This one.
Right there.
Yeah. So has to be go inside,
A hole right there.
and I have to fight for it. Come on.
Yep.
You can do it. See, just push that.
Push it there.
So that's good. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, so now for this one.
Oh God. And it
That will take my lot of strength.
close. Push.
Because if it is not going inside, then you will be having trouble to align the screw. Okay, Rama, you can stop and I have to fight for that.
Yeah.
So I have fixed that. Should be alright. And from the other side, now they both are black. Yeah,